In the shimmering realms where the shadows play, lies the Firekeeper where night meets day. He is the one, the ancient guide, sitting at the world's edge where mysteries abide. With a heart of embers, he starts to ignite the wisdom of ages, shining ever bright. Bearer of silence, whispers through the trees. In the stillness of twilight, his knowledge sets us free. Speaks in the flames, in colors aglow, a vibrant tapestry of truths we must know. LanaCoin 907, keeper of the flame. The oldest path leads forward, forever stays the same. In the dance of the fire where the future is spun, his stories from the ashes guide us one by one. A tapestry woven with threads of the past. In the warmth of the embers, the lessons hold fast. He glances into future, time bending and blending, each flicker and spark, a moment transcending. With wisdom without ego, he shapes a new dawn, a gentle reminder that life moves on. He carries the stillness, the hush of it all. In the quiet of the fire, we hear the ancient call. LanaCoin 907, keeper of the flame. The oldest path leads forward, forever stays the same. In the dance of the fire where the future is spun, his stories from the ashes guide us one by one. In the embers we find the pulse of the earth. Each story whispers secrets of healing and rebirth. His eyes hold the cosmos, the stars in their grace. The Firekeeper laughs as time carves its space. A bearer of ancient, of timeless embrace. In the light of the fire, we find our own place. So gather round seekers in the warmth of the glow, for the keeper of knowledge has wisdom to show. From the ashes of yesterday to the bright, bright unknown, in the dance of existence, we are never alone. The Firekeeper beckons with a knowing smile. As the world spins onward, let's walk the old mile. LanaCoin 907, keeper of the flame. The oldest path leads forward, forever stays the same.